One small step. We've all heard the story of humanity's first steps on the moon. But what about our last steps? In December 1972, two astronauts climbed into a small metal capsule and prepared to return to Earth.
Yes.
The Apollo 17 crew included the first scientists to set foot on the moon, and the astronauts spent more than 3 days exploring. They conducted more experiments and examined more of the surface than any previous mission. This concluded the Apollo program. More than 10 years' work by 500,000 men and women. In a competition between the United States and the Soviet Union, known as the space race, humanity proved that we could walk on the moon. When the Apollo 17 astronauts blasted off, most people thought we would return soon. But we didn't. Apollo hardware sits abandoned on the lunar surface for more than 40 years now, relics of another time. For many of us, the space race seems like ancient history. Some people miss the glory days of Apollo's explorations. Others think the missions never even happened. Children who once played at being astronauts have grown up, had children and even grandchildren of their own. Now, the next generation of explorers will make the journey. European Space Agency have sent spacecraft to orbit the moon. And recently, China, India, and Japan have done the same. From orbit, these spacecraft have mapped the moon, cataloged chemicals on the surface, and even measured tiny changes in gravity from one place to another. The traveler to the moon experiences a smaller pull of gravity than on Earth. Only 1/6 of what you're feeling right now. A visitor might also be shaken by moonquakes, which can start deep inside the moon. The governments have spent tens of billions of dollars to travel. Can we find a better, more economical way? What would motivate people to start a new space race? For centuries, people have created prizes to encourage exploration. In the 18th century, the British government offered a reward to improve navigation and to make ocean voyages safer. Nearly 100 years ago, New York hotel owner Raymond Ortiz offered a prize to the first person to fly across the Atlantic non-stop. A first step toward creating global commercial airlines. More recently, the Sorry X Prize helped to start a new industry that takes tourists up to the edge of space and back. Each team knows they'll only get one chance, one shot at the moon. Where will you be? What will you be doing?
Moon.
The closest planet to the sun is Mercury. It doesn't have an atmosphere like Earth does, so it is super hot in the daytime and freezing cold at night. Mercury is much too close to the sun for people to live on it.
The smallest planet.
The next planet is Venus. Venus's thick atmosphere traps a lot of heat from the sun. This makes Venus the hottest planet in the solar system.
Venus.
Venus is too hot for people to live there. Earth is our home. It is just the right distance from the sun. Mars is the red planet. Its rocks and dust contain iron oxide, commonly known as rust. Mars has a very thin atmosphere, too thin to breathe. It's too cold for people to live there, but we might stop by for a visit sometime. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is made of gas, and its atmosphere is full of storms. The Great
Jupiter.
Red Spot is the biggest storm on Jupiter. It's big enough to swallow Venus, Earth, and Mars at the same time. Jupiter is 5 times farther from the sun than Earth. Next, we find Saturn and its lovely rings. Saturn is made of gas, and its rings are made of ice and rock. Some pieces are as small as dust, and some pieces are as big as houses. Saturn is 10 times farther from the sun than Earth. The next planet is Uranus. It is made of gas and ice. Uranus has a thin system of rings and is tilted on its side.
Uranus.
Uranus is 20 times farther from the sun than Earth.
Uranus.
The last planet is Neptune. It too is made of gas and ice. Neptune is 30 times farther from the sun than Earth. All of the gas planets and their moons are too cold and too far from the sun for people.